This video is brought to you by the Shadow Angel Genesis and the South Bend Dart Frog Murders. In the Shadow Angel Genesis, follow the story of Daniel Adrian Angelescu, who has spent the last 500 years in servitude to the Vatican as their greatest monster hunter. In the South Bend Dart Frog Murders, the seniors at St. Thomas More High School are all looking forward to their final year, but then the city of South Bend is rocked by a serial killer called the Dart Frog. Click the links in the description below to get your copies today. Thank you for your support. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Robert Cantor, and today I've got another Wonka Bar for you. Today's bar is the King's Bounty, inspired by Elvis Presley. Now, I've already taste tested this bar myself and it came out alright, but you probably shouldn't make a regular habit of eating it. Don't forget, Elvis died when he was only 42. The only reason I made this bar is because Willy Wonka canonically invented over 200 variations of the Wonka Bar, and I just couldn't get this one out of my head. But you know what else I can't get out of my head? What the Oompa Loompas had to say about Augustus Gloop. The trick with this bar is to fill the mold with a thin layer of chocolate, then to add the banana puree, and then place another layer of chocolate on top of it. Be very careful or the mold is going to overflow. Now, I never eat the entirety of my Wonka bars in one setting, but this one you may want to split with a friend because it can be a little filling. Like I said, don't make a habit of eating this one if you can avoid it. As much as we love chocolate, none of us wants to end up like Augustus Gloop. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you really want to help this channel out, click the links in the description below and buy my books.